as we've been talking about, has been an active tornado season so far this year. And like Kim mentioned, too, we got our first tornado in our region this weekend.
Yeah.
What should we be prepared for next? I mean, we're getting into the season where these are going to pop up.
This is the season, and we're going to talk about these safety rules a lot during this season. So after what happened over the weekend, I thought we'd take our first shot at letting you know what you should do if a tornado warning is issued for your county. You've heard these a lot of times, but it's good to cement them into your mind. So let's take a look at it. If a tornado warning is issued for your county, the first thing you should do, if you have a basement, is go to the basement. That's the safest place. If you don't have a basement, like you're in an apartment building or a one-level house, you move to an interior room away from the windows. That's the most important thing, because a lot of things come flying through the windows. You can get hurt real easy. Move to an interior room like a hallway or a bathroom or a closet or something like that. So you have to get the warning in the first place, right? And the way you do that, at least most people now, is over your phone. But you have to remember to turn on the notifications on your phone, or you can't see them or hear them, right? So turn on the notifications on your phone. It's a very reliable way to get the warnings in this modern era, but if you don't turn on the notifications, you're not going to know what's going on. If you forget to do that a lot, some people do, buy yourself a weather band radio. It's old-fashioned, but it works. The weather band radios you can program to only go off for your county, so you're not going to hear all the bells and whistles going off all night. Get yourself a weather band radio. They're cheap, they're easy to program, and I recommend everybody have one in their house or your business. I think all schools should have a weather band radio. Once the event starts, turn on Channel 11. We're always going to be on TV giving you the latest coverage, analyzing the storms and letting you know where they're going. Once we're going, and if you have to go to your safe place, you can watch WBAL TV on the WBAL app. You could take the phone with you into your safe place and continue to watch the coverage. So download the WBAL app. If you're in your car, good old-fashioned radio is the best way, because you can't look at your phone while you're driving, right? Turn on WBAL radio and you'll hear us there, AM 1090 and FM 101.5. You can get us almost anywhere. We're on all the social media platforms too. It's a good way to keep updated. TV is still the best way. And I'm not just saying that because I'm on TV.